Recently, we had a problem with our brand pages on mobile devices. So obviously we can check this mobile device by adjusting the screen size using DevTools. This is an iPhone 10, for example, and you can set the size to whatever you want. However, we have a lot of brands that we sell, and there's a lot of these brand pages. As you can see, there's a whole list of in-house brands that goes on and on and on. So I created a command line tool that deals with that. It's going to take a screenshot of each page and save it to a file. So I've added it to the rest of my LADC tools, and it's just as simple right now as running LADC test, and it's going to navigate to all those links instead of having to manually do it and open up I don't even know how many browser tabs, 100 browser tabs or something crazy like that. See, my terminal is transparent so we can see what's going on underneath. So it's just going to go through these. You can see it's listing them as it does it, and it's going to capture the screenshot as it would appear on a mobile device. And of course, we can do this for any page, any screen size, and there's plenty of more functionality that I can test with Puppeteer. It's basically called Puppeteer because you're pulling the puppet strings of the browser, and as if you were there doing it with your mouse and keyboard. You can enter in searches, you can enter passwords, usernames, click on anything, find how any element is behaving or looking. So you can do more than just screenshots. You can test functionality, um, make sure that when you click the cart or when you go to checkout that all the right fields appear and that you're able to enter the credit card information right. Make sure that when you click on request quote or whatever the case may be, the right modal appears. So we're getting these images now, and I have the directory open, so we can see already that Altura doesn't have an image, but we can see that looks like Charlotte Fabrics, there's a problem. Fishmonger has a broken image URL. So this is a lot easier than manually going through them. You can just let this run in the background while you do other stuff. And then you can, based on these images, you can then go, okay, well, it looks like there might be a problem with Charlotte Fabrics. Nothing's showing up. Or let's take Fishbacher wallpaper. So, okay, Fishbacher wallpaper, it looks like there's a problem. Instead of going through and opening a million tabs, like I said, we can just click on Fishbacher wallpaper. And it looks like in the regular view it's working, but when you go to mobile, it's not working. So we've caught a mistake that is not supposed to be there. So this is just an easier way of finding these mistakes or potential mistakes. So anything that can optimize testing like this, why not take advantage of it? So this is my brief introduction to my brand page testing tool for LA Design Concepts. And obviously this can be applied to all kinds of different websites and use cases. So hope you enjoyed that. And that would have been a hard one to catch because it looks fine on desktop, but when you go to mobile, there's a problem. So, all right. Thank you. Later.